Hi students, welcome back to our maths class. We are continuing the pair of linear equation in two variables. We are discussing one application level question. All of you listen here. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. It can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream in 13 hours. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Then we already studied this upstream downstream questions in quadratic equation. Upstream means the boat moves. You already know that the river flows in one direction. It against the boat is moving. That means top. The river flowing this way and boat going top. That is the meaning of upstream. Downstream means how the river is flowing in the same direction the boat is also moving. That is known as the downstream. From this itself, you can understand that upstream, the resultant speed will be less. That means speed of the stream and the speed of the boat, if you are considering, the resultant speed will be less in the case of the upstream. In the case of downstream, both are moving in the same direction. Therefore, the resultant speed will be high. Therefore, upstream case we will take x minus y. Speed in the case of upstream we will take x minus y. In the case of downstream, we already know it is more, we can take as x plus y. Then we can form the equation also. First we want to take that determine the speed of the stream. First we can take speed of the boat. Speed of the boat we are taking as x. Speed of the stream is equal to y. Then you already know that upstream x minus y. Then you already know that time is equal to distance by speed. Here the time relation is given. 30 km upstream, therefore 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y. How much time it is taking? 10 hours is equal to 10. That is to be our first equation. Next will be, here you already know the distance 30. Speed you already take that upstream case we are taking x minus y, that is x minus y. If you confusion you can write this upstream speed. Speed in the case of upstream that is equal to x minus y. Speed in the case of downstream resultant speed we are taking that will be x plus y. This will be our first equation. Next one 40 km upstream. Okay. 40 km upstream, 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y. How much time it is taking? 13 hours. This will be our second equation. Then by looking, we know that it is not in the direct linear equation form. What do you know that how to reduce it to the linear equation? Then we can give 1 by x minus y is equal to, I am taking p. You can use any letter u, v, m, n like that. Any letter you can use. 1 by x plus y is equal to q. Then substitute these values. 30 into 1 by x minus y means 30p plus 44q is equal to 10. 40p plus 55q is equal to 13. This will be our two equations. Then we can make one coefficient equal. I am making this p coefficient, but you know that no other way. If you are multiplying a single equation by any number, it will not be equal. Then we can multiply the coefficients of these two equations. First equation we can multiply by 40, second equation we can multiply by 30. Then we can make first equation we are multiplying by 30, second equation we are multiplying by 40. Normally this, it will be little bit big also after multiplying. Normally we are using this by the cross multiplication method. It will also little bit easy. This year we deleted that portion. That is why we are using elimination method itself. Then first equation you can multiply by 40. Interchange the coefficient. Here we can multiply with 30. Then 1200p plus 1760q is equal to 400. Next 1200p plus 1650q is equal to 0, 9, 390. Then you know that the coefficients are same sign. Therefore, we want to subtract. Then only we can eliminate 1200 minus 1200. You are getting 0. Then P will be eliminated. Then subtraction. Here, this will be 0. Thus, 0, 1, 1. 100, 110 Q is equal to, here also 10. Q is equal to Q is equal to 10 by 110. 110. We can cut the zeros. We will get 1 by 11. Then we can substitute in any equation. First equation 30p plus 44 into 1 by 11 is equal to 10. This is our equation, first equation. I am substituting in this first equation. We can cut this. Then 30p is equal to 10 minus 4, that we are getting 6. P is equal to 6 by 30, that is equal to 1 by 5. Now you got P and Q, but you want to get X and Y, speed of the stream and speed of the boat you want to find out. Then again you want to substitute 1 by X minus Y is equal to P. Then I am writing 1 by X minus Y is equal to P. P means 1 by 5. Then X minus Y cross multiplying, you will get X minus Y is equal to 5. Then again substitute 1 by X plus Y is equal to 1 by X plus Y is equal to Q. Q means 1 by 11. Then again cross multiplying, you will get X plus Y is equal to 11. Again you got equation, linear equation form. Again you want to do the elimination method. Then only you will get the X and Y value. Here Y and minus Y. Then you already know after adding, we can eliminate that Y term. Therefore, 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 by 2, that is 8. Here x what you have taken? Speed of the boat in still water you got now. X, that is 8 km per hour. Then you already know that x plus y is equal to 11. Then x value you got 8. 8 plus y is equal to 11. Therefore, y is equal to 11 minus 8. That is 3 km per hour. Speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. Speed of the boat in still water is 8 km per hour. Is it clear now? We can look another question. Just look the question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. I am short form only I am writing. Question you can write down from the textbook. 2 women and 5. 2 women plus how many men? 5 men. 5 men together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. In 4 days they are finishing that work. Next one, 3 women and 6 men. 3 women and 6 men. They are completing the work in 3 days. In 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by find the time taken by one woman alone to one woman alone to finish the work. Finish the work, and that of one man, and that of one man also. Clear the question? 2 women and 5 men complete a work in 4 days. 3 women and 6 men in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and that of one man. You want to find out the how much time taken by one woman only completing that work and one man only. Then this two you want to find out, that we can take as x and y. First I am taking time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and that of one man. First I am taking that time taken by one woman alone to finish the work I am taking as x. Total, for completing that total work, the woman takes x days. Then what will be 1 day's work? One woman's 1 day work, what will be? One woman alone is x. Therefore, one woman's 1 day work is equal to, what will be 1 day's work? 1 by x. Suppose that one work is completing in 6 days, one woman. Then what will be her for 1 day work? Total 6 days, it's one part, that is 1 by 6. Here, time taken one woman alone is x days they are taking. Therefore, her 1 day work will be total x from that one part, that is 1 by x. The same way, we can take one man alone takes y days. Alone takes y days. Therefore, one man's 1 day work is equal to 1 day work is equal to 1 by y. Is it clear now? Then, one woman's 1 day work is equal to 1 by x. What will be two women's 1 day work? That means one woman one work means 1 by x. Therefore 2 into 2 you want to do, then you will get 2 women's 1 day work, that will be 2 by x. The same way, how much men? 5 men's 1 day work is equal to, what will be? 5 by y. Then 2 men's and 5 men's 1 day work will be 2 by x plus 5 by y. 2 by x plus 5 by y means 2 women and 5 men's 1 day work. Then how many days they are taking to finish the work? In 4 days. This is their 1 day work. If you are multiplying this with 4, the work will be completed. The work over. That means I am taking it is as 1. Is it clear? What? 2 by x means 2 men's 1 day work. 5 by y means 5 men's 1 day's work. 1 days. But they are taking 4 days to complete the work. Therefore, this if you are multiplying 4, the work will be over. Therefore, that become full work. That means that is equal to 1. Then you will get 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to, I am taking this 4 to the right side. Therefore, this will become 1 by 4. This is our first equation. Is it clear? Now, we can form the second equation also the same way. 3 women, I already told one woman's 1 day work is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, 3 women's will be 3 by x. Next equation will be 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to how many days? 3. That is equal to 1 by 3. That will be our second equation. Then you already know that this is not in the correct linear equation form. Therefore, we want to reduce this to the linear equation form. Then, just look, we can give 1 by x is equal to p. 1 by y is equal to q. 1 by x is equal to p. 1 by y is equal to q. Then first equation 2p plus 5q is equal to 1 by 4. Next equation will be 3p plus 6q is equal to 1 by 3. Then here also we can multiply first equation with 3, second equation we can multiply with 2. Then 6p plus 15q is equal to 3 by 4. Next will be 6p plus 12. 12q is equal to 2 by 3. Here you know that the coefficients with the same sign. Therefore, you want to subtract, then only this will be cancelled. Then 6p minus 6p, this will become 0. 15 minus 12 means 3q is equal to 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Already knows that LCM will be 12. This you want to multiply with 3. This will be want to multiply with 4. 9 minus 8 by 12, that is equal to 1 by 12. 3q is equal to 1 by 12. Then q is equal to 1 by 12. This also into this also will come to the denominator, that will be 1 by 36. P value q you got 1 by 36. Then you want to find out the value of q also. Q already got, then you want to find out p. P value also you want to find out. Then just look the equation 2p plus 5 into 1 by 36 is equal to 1 by 4. Then 2p equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. Then here 4 and 36. What will be the LCM? 36 itself. Here you want to multiply with 9. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 by 36. That is equal to 4 by 36. Again we can make it small. That is 1 by 9. 2p is equal to 1 by 9. Therefore p is equal to 1 by 9. P is equal to 1 by 9. This 2 also will come down. 1 by 18. Then again 1 by x is equal to p. Therefore 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18. Therefore x cross multiplying x is equal to 18. Then 1 by y is equal to q. That is 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36. Therefore y is equal to 36. Therefore the days if the women x and x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36, that means women can finish the work in 18 days, one woman, and one man can finish that in 36 days. Is it clear? Next, one more question I am showing. Listen here. Next one. Rohit travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. Total how much distance? Moving 300 km. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. The total how much distance traveling? This is the question number exercise 3.6. In question number 2, this is the third. This will be the question. Total distance traveled is 300 km he is traveling, in which 60 km by train, 60 km by train by train and remaining by bus. And remaining by bus. Remaining by bus. He takes 4 hours. He is taking 4 hours. Next, 100 kilometer by train and the remaining by bus. He takes 10 minutes longer. 4 hours plus 10 minutes also he is taking. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. You want to find the speed of the bus, train and bus. You want to find out. All of you listen here. Total 300 kilometer one person is traveling. In this first case, 60 kilometer he is traveling by train and the remaining by bus. He is taking 4 hours to complete the journey. Then next one is 100 kilometer by train and the remaining by bus. He is taking 10 minutes more than this 4 hours. Then you want to find out the speed of the train and the bus separately. You want to find out. First you can take a speed of the train is equal to x. What you want to find out, that we are taking as x and y. Then speed of the train is equal to x. Speed of the bus is equal to y. Then first equation we can form. You already know that time means distance by speed. First case, train here x is the speed and how much distance he is moving? 60 kilometer. Therefore 60 by x and the remaining by bus. Total how much distance he is moving? 300 minus 60. You will get 240 kilometer he is moving by bus. Then 240 by y is equal to how much time is taking? 4 hours. This is our first equation. Next one, 100 kilometer he is moving. Then 100 by x. Then remaining means 300 minus 100, it will be 200 kilometer. 200 by y. How much time he is taking? 10 minutes more. Therefore 10 minutes. 4 hours means you know that 4 into 60, that is 240 plus 10 minutes, you will get 250 minutes. 250 minutes. Thus will be our second equation. And then we can make those two in a short form also. First equation we can divide it by 4. Then you will get 15 by x plus 60 by y is equal to 1. That is the first one. Here which number we can use? This 250 minutes we can change to the we can change this into the minute also. 250 by 60 hours we can change. Thus you will get 25 by 6. Then second equation, this equation we all can divide by 100. This equation we can divide by 100. Then what you will get? This will be 100 cutting. Therefore this will be 1 by x plus 2 by y is equal to. Thus if you are dividing, what will be 25 by 6 into 1 by 100. And dividing by 100 means taking the reciprocal, that means you will get 1 by 24. Thus will be our second equation. This will be our two equations. Next again, thus you want to change to the linear equation form. Then you want to find the value of x and y. Here 250 minutes you got. Now I changed this to hour, 250 by 60. Then you got 25 by 6. Then throughout this equation I divided by 100. Then I got 1 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 1 by 24. Then next again we are doing 1 by x is equal to p, 1 by y is equal to q. Then our first equation will be 15p plus 60q is equal to 1. Then p plus p plus 2q is equal to 1 by 24. Then this also we can multiply the second equation with 15. Then 15p plus 60q is equal to 1. Then 15p plus 30q. 15 into 2, that is equal to 15 by 24. Then same coefficient with the same sign, then subtracting, then you will get 30q is equal to 1 minus 15 by 24, that is 24 minus 15 by 24. Nine by 24. 21 minus 24, 15 by 24, 24 minus 15, that is equal to 9 by 24. Then we can make the small one. We can divide this by 3, this also 3, then you will get 3 by 8. 30q is equal to 3 by 8, then q is equal to 3 by 8 into 30. This will also come to the denominator, then you will get 10, then that is equal to 1 by 80. Q is equal to 1 by 80. Then we want to find out the p value. 15 into p plus 60 into 1 by 80 is equal to 1. We can cut this. 15p is equal to 1 minus the 6 by 8 you will get. If you are taking 1 by 6 minus 8, that is 8 minus 6 by 8, that is equal to 2 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 4. Then p is equal to 1 by 4 into 15, that is equal to 1 by 60. Then 1 by 60. Then again you want to substitute again. 1 by x is equal to p, that is equal to 1 by 60. Therefore, cross multiplying x is equal to 60 km per hour. The speed of the train is 60 km per hour. Then 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80. Therefore, y is equal to 80 km per hour. Therefore, speed of the train is equal to 80 km per hour, and the speed of the bus. First x we have taken as, what x we have taken? Train x 60 km per hour, and speed of the bus will be 80 km per hour. Is it clear now? Next one, Ritu can draw 20 km in 2 hours. 20 km in 2 hours. Can draw downstream. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometer 4 kilometer in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. Find the speed in still water and the speed of the current. These two you want to find out. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours and upstream then 20 kilometer. Then you already know that time is equal to distance by speed. Therefore 2 hours, that means distance means 20 by downstream, that will be 20 by x plus y is equal to 2. Then 20 is equal to 2 into x plus y. We can cut this, then you will get 10. Then you got x plus y is equal to 10. That is the first equation. Second one, upstream 4 kilometer. 4 by x minus y is equal to 2. 4 is equal to 2 into x minus y. We can cut this. Then x minus y is equal to 2. You got two equations. X minus y is equal to 2. Then different sign of y. Then you want to add 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2. That's equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Then x plus y is equal to 10. Therefore 6 plus y is equal to 10. Therefore y is equal to 10 minus 6, that's equal to 4. 4 kilometer per hour will be the speed in still water is 6 km per hour and speed of the current is 4 km per hour. Next I will show one more question. Solve solve 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. This is the equation given. So same way we can give 1 by root x is equal to p, 1 by root y is equal to q. Then what will be our equation? 2p plus 3q is equal to 2, 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. Then first equation we can multiply by 2. Then 4p plus 6q is equal to 4. Multiplying with 2. Then 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. Subtracting, this will be cancelled. Then here one more minus will come. This will become plus. 15q is equal to, here also one more minus. Then this will become plus. 15q is equal to 5. Q is equal to 5 by 15, that is equal to 1 by 3. Then substitute this Q value. 2p plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Q you got 1 by 3. Then 2p is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. P equal to 1 by 2. P and Q you got again. You can subtract. 1 by root x is equal to p, that is 1 by 2. Then cross multiplying, you got 2 is equal to root x. But you want to get the value of x. How we can remove this root x? If you are making whole square, you know that root x into root x, it will become x. Then both sides you can make whole square. This also will be 2 square. Then root x into root x, it will become x. X is equal to 4. The same way you want to do y case also. 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. Then cross multiplying you got 3 is equal to root y. Again whole square. 3 square is equal to root y whole square. That is y is equal to 9. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Root coming means if you are whole square, you will get x and y value. Okay students, thank you.